Slabbed up. Out here aggressive angling at the docks.
Slabbed up, baby.
Slabbed up on a cold ass day. It's raining, it's windy. You name it. Everything goes. We slabbing up out here, aggressive angling out here. We got Clint, DirtyRat, and none other than RockyBanks. Let's get it. Look at this golden shining. Big ass golden shining. Throw that shit on for some striper candy.
Right, striper candy, man. His ass is like
Yeah. 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 Oh, what do we got here? We got a keeper crappie, y'all. He barely hit, too. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Paper lip. Ah, here you go talking shit. Oh, damn. Looked like something tore a chunk out of his ass. Huh? Yeah, he's bleeding. I see that. Chloe. Toss it out there. Slow crawl it or jig it. Ooh, we got him this time. What is it? Got a little gilly on the Castmaster. Yeah. Little bluegill. Yep, using this little fake fly. Looks like a green fly. Something you find on dog shit. You alright over there? Oh shit. Got a spotted bass. Nice little spot.